Hi everyone, here we've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter apps and tap on the settings. Now let's find security and location. Let's tap on it and scroll a little to the encryption and credentials. Let's tap on it. And as you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap on it. Now your device is asking you if you really want to do it. So let's tap on OK. And actually that's all. The credential storage has been erased successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.